Good morning student. Once again welcome back in maths class. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter 6, that is percentage. Okay. Percentage words come from the Latin word percentum. Okay. Percentum, it's break in two parts, per and centum. Per means every and centum means 100. So percentage means from out of 100. Okay. So let me start. Percent means one part out of 100. 100 का जो one part होता है that is percent. Okay, means out of 100. Whenever we take from 100, out of 100, so that is percent. Now the symbol for percent is this. This is the symbol of percent. Okay, in divide we use like this. This is the symbol of divide. But in percent we take like this oblique line and then up and down zeros. Okay, so that is percentage. Now a percentage. What is percentage? A percentage is a way of expressing a number as a fraction of 100. Means किसी भी number को as a fraction हम write करते हैं and when denominator will be 100. So that we can write as a percentage. If your denominator is 100, means out of 100. So your denominator will be 100. So that we can write it as a percentage. Means out of 100. कोई भी चीज है उसको हम out of 100. हम at the many place we listen percentage. जैसे how many marks you got? You tell your marks in the percentage also. Okay, 70%, 80%, 90%. At many places on the shops also you listen that discount, 10% discount, 20% discount. So that is percentage. Okay. So percentage means out of 100. Out of 100 means average we make, and from 100 half is 20% means 20 out of 100. 50% means 50 out of 100. At many shops you get that 10% discount. It means if your price is 100. So you get 10 rupees discount. Means you will get that thing in 90. Okay. 10 out of 100. 10%, 10 out of 100. Means 100 में से 10. 10 रुपए का आपको discount होगा. Okay. So that is percentage. Percentage means out of 100. Okay. Now for example here. 5 out of 100. So how can we write? In fraction form we write 5 upon 100. And in percentage we can write it 5%. Because this is 5 out of 100. So that is 5%. Okay. At many shops you get 5% discount. कुछ shop वाले 5% देते हैं, कुछ 10, कुछ 20. So that means if you are taking 10 rupees object, so on that you will find your 5%. कि 10 rupees का 5% कितना होगा, and that many amount will be deducted from the 10. If you are purchasing an object of 100 rupees and there is 5% discount, it means 5 out of 100. तो 100 में से 5 आपके less हो जाएंगे. That's okay. Now we can find percentage by two methods. One is that we should make the denominator 100 by writing equivalent fraction. एक तो percentage निकालने का मेथड होता है हमारे पास कि हम डिनोमिनेटर को 100 बना दें by equivalent by converting the fraction in equivalent fraction. Okay, कोई भी fraction है उसका equivalent fraction बनाएंगे डिनोमिनेटर एज अ 100 कि डिनोमिनेटर को हम उसमें 100 डिनोमिनेटर को उसको 100 को में चेंज करें. एंड सेकंड मेथड by multiplying 100. Main method is this. You mostly at the mostly place you use this method, that multiplying by 100. Percentage, for finding percentage, whatever number fractions are given to you, you should multiply that by 100. Then you can get that percentage. Okay. For example, जैसे हमारे पास है 4 upon 25. Now you should find its percentage. So one method, as I told you, that you should convert fraction into equivalent fraction by making by changing the denominator as 100. So how can we make 25 as 100 multiplying by 4? So that means both numerator and denominator we should multiply by the 4. Now 4 fours 16 and 25 fours are 100. Now our denominator is 100. We have converted. हमने इसको चेंज कर दिया. 4/25 जो हमारा फ्रैक्शन था 4/25, we write its equivalent fraction. हमने इसका equivalent fraction राइट कर दिया by multiplying 4. हमने न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. We know the equivalent fraction in fraction topic. We read it. So numerator, whenever we multiply numerator and denominator by same number, then we can find equivalent fraction. Okay, so now we are multiplying by the 4. So now we can find its equivalent fraction. 4 fours are 16 and 25 fours are 100. That means 16%. Your answer is 16%. Second method which I told you. Second method I told you that multiplying by 100. We can find the percentage multiplying by 100. तो अब सेम है हमारे पास. इसका आंसर आ गया 16% because 16 out of 100 that means 60%. सेम हम अगर हम सेकंड मेथड से करते हैं 4/25. Second method is what I told you. We should multiply by 100. Whatever is given that we should multiply by the 100. Now we should multiply by the 100. Okay. Now we should cancel. In fraction topic we learn multiplication also, fraction multiplication. So there is no denominator, we can make here 1. आप नहीं भी बनाओगे तो भी it's common sense that this is in numerator. Okay. Now we should cancel. In 25 table we have 100. 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100. Now 4 fours are 16. So there also you get 16%. Okay. So by the both method you should get the same answer. At your wish you can use, but mostly we use this method. Okay. This method, if there is given that write the equivalent fraction and then convert into percentage, only then you apply this method. अगर क्वेश्चन में आपको दे ही रखा है कि आपको equivalent fraction राइट करके परसेंटेज बनानी है, then you should use only this. Otherwise you should apply this method. Okay. If you have suppose there is given that 6 convert 6 into percentage. So how you will do? 6 multiplied by 100, that's equals to 600%. So for percentage you should multiply by the 100 only. If you have 2.4 and saying that find its percentage, so what will we do? 2.4 multiply by the 100. So how we multiply by 100? Decimal multiplication we learned in the previous chapter. So now this will remain same. Okay. Sorry. And after that 2 times 0. Now how many decimal place in the question? 1 decimal place. So here also we will take 1 decimal place. So 240.0. That's equals to 240%. Okay. That's equals to, because after decimal we have here 0. So there is no value of this 0. So this is 240%. Okay. That's your answer. So like this you can solve. Okay. Let me start now our exercise. Now exercise 6.1. That you will do in the book only. Okay. No need to do in the notebook. So you should do in the book only. So there is given, color the following figures according to the given fractions. Now there is given 3 questions. Okay. There is given that color the following figures. आपको ये जो figures दे रखे हैं इनको color करना है according to the given fractions. जो इसके साथ fractions दे रखे हैं उन fraction के according you have to color the boxes. So I take here only question number 1, question number 2 and 3 you will do yourself. Okay. That is very simple. So here is given 11/100 means 100 boxes are given here and you should color according to the numerator. There is 11, so that means 11 boxes you will color. So any 11 box you can color. Whatever numerator is given there, that many boxes you will color, and you can use any color means and you should use only pencil and crayons, not sketch color. Okay. And any 11 box you can color from the 100 box. There is given 100 boxes. From 100 box you can color any 11. So I am using this one. आप चाहे ऐसे ले लो चाहे ऐसे 10. In one line you have 10 boxes. So I am taking these 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1 from here 11. So this is 11 upon 100. So like this you will shade. Okay, completely मैंने shade इसलिए नहीं किया कि पूरा mix हो जाएगा ये. But you should completely shade with a pencil, otherwise crayons color. Okay, so like this you will complete this exercise. It's second and third question you will do yourself. Now we will start our exercise 6.2. Now exercise 6.2. Question number 1. Here is given, convert the following fractions into percent. Okay, आपको जो fractions given है, you have to convert them into percent. Okay, whatever fractions are given here, you should convert them into percentage. So here is given A part 9 upon 100. There is already denominator given 100 and percentage means out of 100. So we should make only denominator 100 whenever we find percentage. So we should make our denominator as 100. And there is already 100 given. So directly we can write a percentage. So it's a 9%. Okay, that is your answer. Next, it's B part. There is given 40 upon 100. There is also already given 100 as denominator. So directly we can write. So what will we write? 40%. Only we should use the symbol of percentage. The same like in C part and D part also given already denominator 100. So directly we should write our percentage. So it's C and D part you will do yourself. Okay. Now it's question number 2. Convert the following fractions into percent by finding equivalent fraction. अब इसमें आपको percentage में convert करना है by finding equivalent fraction. So as I told you, two methods. One is by finding equivalent fraction. We should make the denominator 100, and second is by multiplying 100. So here is first method we apply. Finding equivalent fraction with the denominator 100. तो जब denominator 100 होगा, only then we can write as percentage. जब भी हमारा denominator 100 होगा, only then we can write fraction as percentage. ऐसे हम हर किसी fraction को percentage में write नहीं कर सकते. Firstly we should make our denominator 100. Whenever denominator is 100, then we can write as the percentage form. Here is denominator 100, that's why directly we write percentage form. Okay. So here also we should find the equivalent fraction and then we should write it percentage form. Okay. So now A part is there 7.10. So firstly we make our denominator as 100. Denominator को हमने 100 बनाना है by writing equivalent fraction. हम इसका equivalent fraction find करेंगे. By that we should make our denominator 100. So 10 how can be 100? 10 को हम 100 कैसे बना सकते हैं? 10 are 100 means multiply by 10. 10 को जब हम 10 से multiply करेंगे तो it will be 100. So that means 7 upon 10. Numerator and denominator will be multiplied by same number. Whenever we find equivalent fraction, so we multiply numerator and denominator by same number. Whatever number is there, by same number we should multiply. Okay. So 7 upon 10 multiply by 10 multiply by 10. Now 7 tens are 70 and 10 tens are 100. 70 upon 100. Now their denominator is 100. So now we can write in percentage form. So that's equals to 70%. Now this is the symbol of percentage. So our answer is 70%. Okay. Now it's a B part. In B part what we have? 19 upon 25. 19 upon 25. Now we change 25 as 100. So how can we make 25 as 100? Multiplying by 4 because 25 fours are 100. So both numerator and denominator will be multiplied by 4. 19 upon 25 multiply by 4 multiply by 4. Numerator and denominator both should be multiplied by 4. Now 19 fours are 76. Okay. 19 fours are 76. 25 fours are 100. 25 fours are 100. Now 76 upon 100. So we can write it into percentage form. 76 upon 100. There is denominator 100. So in percentage numerator, with numerator we should use percentage symbol. So 76, and now after that we should use percentage symbol. 76%. Okay, this is our answer. Now it's the C part. In C part, what we have? 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4. Now 4 how can be 100? अभी हमने क्या किया? 25 को 4 से किया. इसका मतलब 4 25 are 100. 25 4s are 100. So 4 25s are also 100. That means 4 multiplied by 25. So what will we get? 100. So numerator and denominator both should be multiplied by 25. 3 upon 4 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 25. Now 25 3s are 75 and 25 4s are 100. 75 upon 100, that's equals to 75%. Because now denominator is 100 and whenever denominator is 100, so we can use percentage symbol. At the place of this denominator we are using percentage symbol. Okay. Now it's a D part. Now in D part what we have? 45 upon 50. 45 upon 50. So here is 50 as denominator. How we can make 50 as 100? Multiply by 2. 52 is 100. So 45 upon 50 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. Now 45 2s are 90. Whenever 45 multiply by 2, then we get 90. And 52 is 100. 90 upon 100. Now denominator is 100. So we can write in percentage form. So our percentage is 90%. So our answer is 90%. At the place of 100 we are using percentage symbol because percentage means out of 100. So whenever our denominator is 100, so we can apply our percentage symbol. So our answer is 90%. So like this you should complete your question number 2nd. Now we will do question number 3rd. Now question number 3. Represent the following fractions as percent. Now you should write the following fraction as percent multiply by 100. आपको यहाँ पे multiplication method apply करना है. Okay. Question 2 में आपने equivalent fraction वाला method apply किया था. Now we should apply multiplying by 100. Multiply method. Okay. Now A part is there. 12 upon 25. So first of all we write 12 upon 25. So for finding percentage we should do multiplication by 100. So now we will do multiply by 100. 100 will be in numerator. There is no denominator. We can think that there is denominator as 1. So no need to write denominator here. We can write only numerator. Now we should cancel. In 25 table we have 100. Where? At the 4 number. So we can cancel directly by 25. 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100. हमने 25 से both को numerator और denominator both divided by 25. Now numerator multiply by numerator. So numerator there is 12 multiply by 4. 12 fours are 48. Okay. The denominator is 1 and there is also nothing. So denominator is 1. So whenever denominator is 1, so no need to write denominator. So our answer is 48%. Okay. So like this we can find multiply by 100. Now it's a B part. 14 upon 40. So first of all we write here 14 upon 40. Now what will we do? Multiply by 100. Same process we should follow here also. Multiply by 100. Okay. Now we multiply by 100. So first of all, as we know, both come in 10 table also, both come in 20 table also. So we can do we know that both come in 2 table also, so we can cancel by 2 also. 14 and 40 both are coming in 2 table. So we cancel from here also, and firstly we cancel by 100 also. As our wish we can do. फर्स्टली आपको 100 के साथ कैंसिल करना है तो आप 100 के साथ कर सकते हो, आपको 14 और 40 को फर्स्टली कैंसिल करना है तो आप इसको कर सकते हो एज ऑलवेज। सो वी नो 40 कम इन 20 टेबल ऑल्सो। हमें बिग से बिग नंबर फाइंड करना है जिसकी टेबल में न्यूमरेटर भी आए डिनोमिनेटर भी, क्योंकि जितना स्मॉल नंबर लोगे उतना ही आपकी कैंसिलिंग लंबी होती चली जाएगी। सो दैट्स बेटर वी हैव टू चूज द बिगेस्ट नंबर। सबसे बड़ा ऐसा नंबर चूज करें जिसकी टेबल में न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर बोथ आर कमिंग। So we know that in 20 table 40 also come, 100 also come. So we can choose 20. In 20 table where is 40? 22 are 40. And here is 25 are 100. Okay? आप 10 भी चूज करते तो आप क्या करते? 10 4 are 44 लेते, फिर आप 2 से कैंसिल करते, तो आपकी यहाँ पे क्या है, लाइन जो है वो बिग हो जाती, अदरवाइज आंसर विल कम सेम। अगर आप 2 2 से भी करते जाओगे तो भी आपका आंसर सेम आएगा, but you should select the biggest number, okay, in which table both come. Now we know that 14 come in 2 tables, so and 2 also come in 2 tables, so we can divide by 2 also. 2 ones are 2 and 2 sevens are 14. हमें वन टर्म न्यूमरेटर की लेनी होती है एंड वन टर्म डिनोमिनेटर, ये हमने फ्रैक्शंस के मल्टीप्लिकेशन में ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं। ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट विल वी डू, न्यूमरेटर मल्टीप्लाई बाय न्यूमरेटर, 7 5s are 35 and in denominator we have only 1. If there is denominator then we will use, अगर हमारा denominator में यहाँ पे 2 होता 3 होता तो then we will use denominator also. Okay, but now there is denominator 1, so no need to write here denominator. Now 35 and we should use percentage symbol, 35%, that's your answer. Okay, here is 48% is your answer. So like this you should complete your question number 3. A and B part I have done here. C and D you will do yourself. Okay. After that question number 4. Now question number 4. Convert the following mixed numbers into percent. आपको यहाँ पे mixed numbers given है, means mixed fractions are given to you and you should write in percentage. So here is A part, 4 whole 1 upon 3. So first of all, whenever you have mixed fraction, so we change that into improper fraction. मैंने आपको यही कहा था कि whenever we have mixed, जब भी हमारे पास mixed हो तो सबसे पहले हमारे पास प्रोसेस होती है we change that into improper fraction. So now we change it into improper fraction. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 13 upon 3. Okay, now we can change it into percentage. Okay, how we will change it into percentage, we should multiply by 100. क्या होता है, फ्रैक्शन को आपको 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, then you can get your percentage. So 13 upon 3 multiply by 100. So now we will see that in 3 table we don't have 100 and in 3 table we don't have 13 also. ना तो हमारे पास 13 आता है 3 की टेबल में और ना ही हमारे पास 100 आता है. So that means what will we do? We should multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So we should multiply numerator by numerator. 13 multiply by 100. So 13 multiply by 100, 1300. Okay. And in denominator here is 3. There is nothing, means 1. So 3 ones are 3. Now there is in fraction form. So there is two ways to express this. One is mixed fraction and second is decimal form. आप या तो इसको मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में चेंज कर दो या फिर आप इसको डेसिमल फॉर्म में. डेसिमल फॉर्म में करते तो यू विल टेक 2 डेसिमल प्लेस. ओके, सो वी विल डू 1300 divided by 3 because numerator divided by denominator. So now we do divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. Now 1 we note down 0. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 1. Again we note down 0. 3 3s are 9. Now there is 1. So you can write 433 whole 1 upon 3. अगर आपको मिक्स्ड फॉर्म में राइट करना है तो आपका क्या हो जाएगा 433 whole 1 upon 3%. Okay, this is correct. And another way, if you want to write in decimal form, So we will put here decimal and now we take here 0. Then this 0 downside. So again 3 3 are 9. फिर से वही 1 रिमाइंडर होगा. फिर से 1 टाइम 0 लेंगे. 3 3 are 9. So it's become 433.33. So if you want to write in decimal form, you can write in decimal form also. And if you want to write in mixed form, so you can write in mixed form also. Both are correct. Mixed also correct and decimal also correct. So as your wish, you can write. Okay. So I am writing here in mixed form. So you can write in mixed also. You can write in decimal form also. So your answer is 433 whole 1/3%. That's clear. Now next is it's the B part. In its B part, what we have 3 whole 3/2. So first of all, we change it into improper fraction. So firstly improper fraction 2 3 are 6. 6 plus 3 9 upon 2. Now what will we do? Multiply by 100. So 9/2 multiply by 100. Now in 2 table we have 100. 2 की table में 100 आता है. So we can cancel now. So 2 ones are 2. Now in 2 table 2 5s are 10. 2 zeros are 0. Okay. Finish now cancelling because denominator come 1 and there is already 1. Okay. So now numerator multiply by numerator. 9 zeros are 0 and 9 5s are 45. 450. But percentage. Because we have done multiplication by 100. So this is our answer in percentage. This is the percentage. 450%. That's your answer. So it is not necessary कि percentage आपकी है वो 100 से डाउन ही होगी. ओके आपको कंफ्यूज होने की जरूरत नहीं है कि आपकी परसेंटेज तो 100 से डाउन आनी चाहिए थी. नो, इट कैन बी ग्रेटर देन 100 बिकॉज देयर इज मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. होल इज ऑलरेडी देयर. तो ये होल जो है ये 100 से ऊपर तो अपने आप ही होगा. आपका जो प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है उसकी परसेंटेज जो है दैट विल कम लेस देन 100. बट इफ यू हैव इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन मींस मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन सो इट्स परसेंटेज विल कम मोर देन 100. ओके. So it's a C and D part you will do yourself. Now we will do question number 5. Question number 5. There is convert the following decimal numbers into percent. There is given decimal numbers and you should convert that into percentage. So the same method is there also, multiply by 100. So A part is there 3.8. So 3.8 multiply by 100. So now we will do multiplication by 100. So whenever we multiply by 100, the number same and after that 2 times 0. So we will forget the decimal and we should write here 3, 8 and after that 2 times 0. Now in question 1 decimal place is there. So in answer also we will take 1 decimal place. So it's become 380.0%. So after decimal there is 0. So there is no value of this 0. We can write it 380%. That's your answer. Okay. Now it's a B part. There is given 2.75. So the same is there also. 2.75 multiply by 100. So as we know, as I told you in decimal chapter, that whenever we multiply by 100, so decimal move 2 place in the right side. Decimal point move 2 place in the right side. So directly you can write your answer also and this also you can follow as your wish. अगर आपको ऐसे करना है तो आपको 2 टाइम में आंसर राइट करना पड़ेगा. And if you want to write directly, because you know that whenever we multiply by 100, so we move 2 decimal point, move 2 place in the right. So it will go here 275 point. And after decimal there is no nothing is there, no digit is there, so there is no value of this decimal. We can remove it. So that's equals to 275. Okay. आप 0 0 भी लगाते तो वही है आपके पास 2 decimal place लेते आप. So that's 275.00. That's equals to 275. So we can write it 275%. That's your answer. Now it's a C part. There is given 0.8. So we write here 0.8 multiply by 100. That's okay. So whenever we multiply by 100, so it will move 2 place. Now there is only 1 place. So what we can do here? We can make here 0. Okay. So as you wish, आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो 8 and after that 2 times 0. Because 8 multiplied by 100 that's equals to 800. You forget the decimal. आप decimal को तो भूल जाओगे. 8 multiplied by 100 that's equals to 800. Now we count the decimal place. There is one decimal place in the question. So in answer also will take one decimal place. So there will be a decimal. Okay. Because whenever we multiply by 100, so we will move 2 place. There is only 1. So we can use here 0. Now there is 2. So your answer will be 80. 80.0%. That's equals to 80%. In this also you can use 2 step, and in 1 step also you can write the answer. As your wish you can do in 2 step, in 1 step. जैसे भी आपको easy लगे you can write like that. Okay. So now our exercise is complete. So like this you will complete your exercise 6.2. Thank you.